In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft Store install location. To get started, open your Windows settings. The quickest way to do that is by pressing the Windows key and the I key together on your keyboard. This shortcut takes you straight into the main settings menu, which is where you can manage storage, apps, and other system preferences. Once settings is open, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on System. After that, move to the right side of the window and select Storage. This section shows you how your device is using space and gives you access to storage-related options, including where new content gets saved. Next, scroll down until you see Advanced Storage Settings. Go ahead and click on it to expand the menu. When more options appear, click on where new content is saved. This page is important because it lets you choose default save locations for different types of content, including apps from the Microsoft Store. At the top of this page, you'll see the option labeled New Apps Will Save To. Click the drop-down menu next to it and choose the drive you want to use. For example, if you have another drive available, such as D, you can select that instead of your main C drive. If you only see the C drive as an option, that simply means Windows doesn't currently detect another eligible drive for app installs, so that's completely normal. After choosing your preferred drive, click Apply to save the change. Windows will then use that location by default for new Microsoft Store apps going forward. And that's it. Your install location has now been updated. Keep in mind that this change affects new app installations, not apps that are already installed. If you found this helpful, you can follow the same settings path anytime you want to check or change it again.